Just went out on his thing, and he'll be right back. So yeah, I'm just gonna be watching. Let's see if he comes from there. I want to see. Because I think he should. Oh, that's way. While that happens, I'm gonna see if he's gonna be coming from either side, because he could. We can't lie. I'll cut when he comes. Okay. He's gonna come like right around this area. Where is he? We got gone. He gone. What, bruh? Where the? Wait a moment. Never mind. You can try hearing it, but I don't see anything. You could be anywhere, actually. You could be not even in the neighborhood. Yeah. Bruh. I thought I heard something. That's why I uncut the video but nope. Don't see it anywhere. I don't see him. He's probably gone. Unless he comes right behind me right there. Then that's a problem, because then this camera will be facing there. I mean, I could just go like that and stuff. Where even is he? Hold on, I'm gonna cut to when he comes. Like, senhor, que tá aí, papá? Vamos que reitar com esse coso. Fine, whatever. Okay, so I don't think my dad will be coming, because he's probably somewhere. And I hope once I end this video, I hope he does not just come, because then that's gonna be very sad. But yeah, I should end this before it gets too long. So yeah, if you guys haven't seen the motorcycle in this video, then check the short video, like and subscribe. I'm gonna be starting to do Spanish videos, like Spanish edition. So yeah, if anybody's Spanish, I'm gonna be doing Spanish videos. So okay, adios.